Y'all see this right here? This right here are things that we are going to continue to see, okay, in time and as catalysts, you know, begin to come in, and as you know, a lot of the exchange, well, most of the exchanges are already complete. We're going to continue to see things. Anything that's progress with Saitama, we're going to continue to see it. All right, we're already done with the exchanges, which is why you are seeing a lot of the airdrops, okay, going faster now, because now a lot of those exchanges are, you know, that volume is coming together as a whole. Okay, you have more volume and more trading going out now. Okay, and you're starting to have those airdrops pick up. But it says this. Look, it says, please to announce we have completed the token migration and distribution of Saitama to all eligible users at the ratio of 1 million to 1. So this is not saying that they've completed the migration completely. This just is saying that they've completed the migration for this exchange. Now, the thing is this. For individuals that are saying, now, remember when I had made the video and I showed you that they were doing a migration for individuals who were holding 80K or more. All right, now there are some individuals that were saying that, well, you know, I hold less and I had got my airdrops, and you have other individuals saying that, and you're saying, well, you know, this individual said, you know, that he or she has gotten their airdrops and they hold less than the 80K of what they're talking about. What they're talking about are most of these exchanges. Okay, they got the exchanges out the way, which means that most individuals, okay, who held any amount of crypto tokens on these exchanges got their airdrops. The exchanges are good. We're just waiting for a lot of the DeFi wallets now. Okay, which is a lot of your not Coinbase. Coinbase I really don't consider, you know, as much DeFi, but which is we're waiting for like MetaMask and Trust Wallet. Okay, so we're waiting on a lot of airdrops to go into those wallets, and then I think we will be close to done with the airdrops. Okay, so that's what they mean when they're saying that, you know, for the individuals who hold less, who have still gotten their airdrops. That's what they mean. We got the big exchanges out of the way. Okay, so the thing is this right here also, and also look, guys, we're gonna look at some comments, and I'm also gonna talk to you all about networking. Okay, because we have some pretty good Saitama influencers. Okay, that we can all look at, for at least for a lot of the newer investors out there that are getting into Saitama and other cryptos. Okay, but this right here are some of the comments that we're continuing to see as the process continues with the airdrops. Okay, it says, I want to know why airdrops are happening on Coinbase Wallet. They are Uniswap and done by many made before any centralized exchange. Listen, regardless, airdrops seem to have stopped for over 2 days now. What is going on? Really, the airdrops have not stopped. Okay, if we go look at Dex, not Dex tools, but if we go look at what is this? If we go look at Etherscan, right? I just forgot it. If we go look at Etherscan, we'll see that the numbers are continuing to move. Okay, let me go over here and look at Etherscan. Okay, so if we go over here and look at Etherscan, the numbers are continuing to move. So I don't know why individuals are saying or claiming that a lot of the airdrops have stopped. If we look over here, we've picked up about close to 1,000 already in less than an hour, like 1,100 in less than an hour. Okay, so the airdrops have not stopped. The holder count is continuing to go up. That's how we know that the airdrops have not stopped. Okay, so this is what I talk about individuals who are not aware of the correct resources to actually look at. All right, now if we go over here also, it says I have Saitama and have not seen Jack from them on the version 2 or V2. Whether this is supposed to have been done like 2 to 6 weeks ago. And it says if you're in a tech if you're in tech and you're a day late on a deadline, you lose a lot of faith in backers. It says, but weeks late is a fail. Sounds like a rug pull to you guys. So, and this is what I only look at these comments because this is a lot of comments I see from negative, posters and stuff like that. And it says, I have Saitama have not seen Jack. Like I said, Saitama just has not gotten to a lot of you individuals out there that are holding. They're still going into order. A lot of you individuals complaining are the individuals who are on Trust Wallet and MetaMask. Okay, so in the Coinbase wallet itself is still a process. All right, because Coinbase wallet is not like a lot of the centralized exchanges as a whole. It's still a wallet. Okay, but Coinbase wallet itself is a process. Okay, so you just have to wait, just like individuals who are waiting on Trust Wallet and MetaMask. You just have to wait. Okay, and it's supposed to, and then it says, wasn't it supposed to drop like 2 to 6 weeks ago? Now the thing is this right here with that, it was supposed to drop around a certain amount of time, but things changed and the developers found that out afterwards. Like I said, the developers see things different on their back end. Okay, what they see on their back end, we cannot see. Okay, we can only assume, make assumptions based on the picture, the basic picture that's right in front of us. This is just like a basic, simple picture, does not tell you anything. This is what I talked about when I talked about SAITAMAWOLFPACK when they were having launches. And when the developers see that everything is good to go on the back end, they can only tell you what they see. Okay, and after the launches, okay, things may change because, of course, you get those front running bots, you get the hackers, you get the whales and all of that stuff, and it slows up the process. So that's when they come to us and be like, hey, we have to put things on hold. And I have no doubt that it's the same thing that happened with the airdrops. Okay, everything that they saying on the back end was ready, set, go. And as the migration and the airdrop process took off, they noticed that things were going to get a little complex, and they also noticed that this was going to take a little bit more longer than usual, and then they updated you again. They told you again, right? So now they can only tell you what they see, and we just have to have patience. So yes, it was supposed to come out those weeks ago, but things changed. And it says if you're in tech and you're a day late on a deadline, you lose a lot of faith in backers. Well, the thing is this, the good is far outweighing the bad. Okay, the good is far outweighing the bad. Okay, when it comes to the faith in the backers, because Saitama has a lot of backers. Just look over here. Okay, if we look over here on Etherscan, this right here is showing me that there's a lot of faith in this project right here. Not only that, when we look at Saitama's been trending in that 30 range, okay, while the market here is going down. I'm showing you the receipts. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is at 19K. Okay, Bitcoin is at 19K. Saitama is still hanging out around this 30, this 2030 mark. Okay, I'm showing you the receipts. I'm not just making this up. I'm showing you right here on this video. Okay, so if this doesn't say right here, the data they does not have any backers or any faith, I don't know what to tell you. And then look at the volume. We just picked up 100K in volume over a period of 2 hours. All right, and I have no doubt that it is going to go up past that 1 million mark. Okay, as a lot of these holders right here come through. Okay, I tell you, we're going to hit this 49K. We're going to hit this 49K mark, and we might hit the 50K mark later tonight. Okay, if not tomorrow. All right. So when you see things like that, okay, you have to know what you're talking about when you're making accusations like this. Okay, so I believe that we have a lot of faith in the backers in the project. Okay. And it says, but weeks late is a fail. It's not a fail because we see a lot of things starting to pick up. Okay, and then this person says it sounds like a rug pull. Okay, in my opinion, this is nowhere near a rug pull. If it was a rug pull, you will not see any of this. You will not see any of this. You will not see the holders going up. Okay, you will not see the price where it is right now. The price would be way lower than this. Okay, they probably would not even be any liquidity in this project right here. So when individuals make comments and say it sounds like a rug pull, I mean, you can't possibly know what you're talking about. Okay, a rug pull is when all the liquidity is drained and the developer runs off with your investment. That's not what this is. A lot of individuals are misusing the word. They're misusing the word rug pull. Why? Because they've heard it from other individuals like Fudders or other uneducated investors who don't even know what the term means. Okay, but besides this, everything is everything is going good. And the thing is this, okay, if you want to be properly educated, surround yourself with individuals, okay, and a lot of the Saitama influencers who have a positive outlook on a project. And I'm not just talking about just for Saitama, with any project. Find the positive influencers, okay, within that project, or you go into these crypto, you go into these crypto Facebook groups and try to surround yourself with positive individuals who can tell you what you need to know, so you won't be going around saying that everything is a rug pull and you're not even understanding what that really means. So some of the individuals that I hang around and some of the individuals that I network with, positive is Malt Money. Malt Money has been making not only just Saitama content, but he has been making crypto content for a while now. Malt actually started looking at Malt and other crypto influencers before actually I started doing my YouTube channel. Malt is a good individual to network with, very smart. Okay, so and he always have a positive outlook on not just Saitama but crypto in general. Okay, so you can check out Malt Money. And look, don't just go, just follow them. Okay, follow them. Look, if you're tired of looking at the if you're tired of looking at a lot of the FUD content out there, okay, and you want to change up the content you look at, okay, you just need some more positive individuals in your life, okay, in your crypto space to network with, then follow the positive influencers. Follow them. Okay, and this is another positive influencer right here. Brian Makes Benjamins. Now Brian is also a smart crypto investor. Okay, and he invests in more things than crypto, of course. If you look at his channel, he gets more into other things such as real estate also. So he can tell you a lot about Saitama. He has a positive outlook on Saitama. Okay, he also has a positive outlook on crypto in general. These are individuals, right, that you will not see bash crypto projects. You will not see them bash crypto projects. Now, me, myself, I may be a little hard on some crypto projects, but I'm not hard on the project itself. I'm hard on the developers, because these developers, y'all know, they just sit on their hands more than that, okay? They talk a big game, but at the same time, they're sitting on their hands more than anything. But other than that, I really do not bash other projects. But if you want to, surround yourself with a network of individuals. Okay, Brian Makes Benjamins. He can teach you about more than just crypto. He can teach you also about real estate. He has a lot of things going on outside of crypto. So these are individuals that you want to follow. And of course, AJ. Everybody knows AJ Cartel. He's big in the Twitter space, okay, and he's also one of those individuals that's very educated on, not just Saitama, but crypto in general also. Now, AJ actually helped out my channel, okay, when he took notice of my content and, did a lot of sharing through his audience right there. So, I really appreciate that. But through talking to AJ is also a very educated individual. Okay, and these are, like I said, these are individuals that you want to surround yourself with. You want to get you want to get a good circle of, investors. You want to get a good circle of, educated individuals, smart individuals to put into your network. Like I said, just look at your circle. Okay, look at your circle and network of friends. Look at your circle and network of content creators you look at. Okay, if things are not happening for you, okay, or things are not going the way that you need them to go, then just look at what you're consuming your mind in, because remember what I said, you get out of life what you consume your mind into. Okay, so you want to consume your mind into more positive content. You want to get a certain group of networkers in your network, okay, that you can commingle with on a daily basis, okay. And then when you notice, when you start doing things like that, okay, your knowledge will start. You will start to understand. Your knowledge will start to get where it's at. Things will start to move for you, okay. And that also includes your financial well-being, okay. Your network is your net worth, okay. If you surround yourself with individuals who've already been successful and have done what you're trying to do, okay, and you pick their brain on a daily basis, you will notice that things will start to move for you, okay. So and this right here, this is just the beginning, okay. The thing is this, follow these individuals and see who they're following, because a lot of them follow positive influencers also. Okay, so see follow them, follow whoever they're following. Of course, do your research on a lot of those individuals also, but not follow whoever they're following, but see who they're following and see who's bringing that positive atmosphere, okay, to the crypto space. So this is just a few more money, okay, and Brian Makes Benjamins, okay, and AJ, okay. So these are the individuals I talk to, and somewhere down the road we'll probably get more into like live streams and all of that, and team up. Of course, that's a process right there also, because everything has to line up with everybody's schedule and all of that stuff. But yeah, check out the positive content creators. You don't always have to look at the negative content creators out there, because there's more for you to consume your mind in a positive light. All right, so I want to make this video, and like I said, everything is continuing to look good on the Saitama end. All right, and remember, okay, every now will be history tomorrow, and you either have patience in this crypto investing space or lose in the end. You do not want to be a loser. And this is my video. I will catch you all on the up and up. Outie.